How to turn on location history on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on location history on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click this three lines here in the top corner and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now just go down until you find location, click on it, and click this one, location history. And now all you need to do is just one click on this one, location history, and as you see, location history has been turned on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.